Welcome back to the channel, gang. Today we're looking at this 86 Fox body. She's quite pretty. Paint's definitely quite strong on this vehicle. I don't know, my phone's focusing properly, but she is quite nice. Drives good too. Love the tint as well, especially helpful here in the summer months of Florida. She's a GT, and obviously that 5.0 being super desirable. Iconic front end as well. She's in great shape. I mean, really good shape. No kisses really on the body. Interior is also like basically, I shouldn't say mint, that gets me in trouble, but it's very clean. No holes, no rips, no tears, anything like that throughout the entirety of the upholstery. But let's hit the road and see how she drives. All right, here we are out in the wild. She's running very strong. AC's blowing cold. She's a must here in Florida. Got that cranking right when I got in her. But brakes feel phenomenal. Steering feels phenomenal. Shifting also feels great. I'm just gonna downshift here real quick after we come through this corner. And then that 5.0 gives us power when we need it. She's nice and straight, running very strong. Got all the working gauges as well, so nice little test drive. I like this thing. So go ahead, I'm gonna take it back to the shop. We'll put her up in the air and show you guys the undercarriage.